For this week in Lee 21 grammar, we're going to be taking a look at the different types of sentences. Now, for this video, you'll need to have your writing journal out, your practice companion book, and also a pencil. So first of all, let's take a look at the 4 different types of sentences. For this video, we'll be looking at the declarative and interrogative sentences. So along with that, we also have exclamatory and imperative. So those are the 4 different types of sentences. So first of all, declarative sentences, and I want you to write this down in your notes. What does it do? It makes a statement and also ends in a period. So an example of this, my family plays board games. So that's a statement. It ends in a period. You can see it's a declarative sentence, and it just makes a statement. It's not exciting. You're not asking a question. You're not telling anybody to do anything. It's just a statement, just a random fact or something like that that you are saying. Interrogative sentence. Let's take a look at this. It asks a question and also ends with a question mark. And you'll want to write that down. An example of this is, what is your favorite game? So it's asking somebody a question, and you can also see right over here that it ends in a question mark. Therefore, it makes it an interrogative sentence. Now, a way to remember that an interrogative sentence is a question sentence, if you ever take a look at interrogative, that is very difficult to spell, and a lot of times you have to ask somebody, how do you spell interrogative? So therefore, it's an interrogative sentence. That's a question sentence because you're always asking, how do you spell interrogative? So just a little way to understand or to remember an interrogative sentence is a question sentence. Now let's take a look at some practice of declarative or interrogative. Okay, now it's pretty simple between these two, but it's really just a period or a question mark, but we'll go a little bit deeper than that when we're looking at the practice. So first of all, today we will have chicken nuggets for lunch. We know right away that it's a declarative between these two because it does end in a period, but remember, a declarative sentence is just a statement sentence, so you can see that's just a statement. It's not anything exciting necessarily. You may be passionate about chicken nuggets, but you can see this does end in a period here. Next one, will we get to go shopping next week? Right away, question mark, and we know that it's going to be an interrogative sentence. Sarah will be going to soccer practice after school, ends in a period. It's a statement, therefore it's a declarative sentence. Does Joshua always have to sit next to Daniel? Ends in a question mark, interrogative sentence. Can we go to the park today before dinner? Ends in a question mark. It's asking a question, therefore it's an interrogative sentence. So it has to ask a question and also end in a question mark. You would not really have a question mark at the end of any other sentence than an interrogative sentence. You will have homework every night this week is a declarative sentence. It's making a statement and also ending a period. And finally, how can we practice these types of sentences? That's a question sentence. It ends in a question mark. Therefore, it's an interrogative sentence. Now, what you'll need to do, let's take a look at this next sentence. I wonder what's on page 39 of our practice companion book. Okay, so that should be actually a interrogative there. So that's a question sentence. All right, so what I want you to do is turn to page 39 of your practice companion book, and I want you to complete numbers 1 through 13 in your practice companion book on page 39. When you finish that, you can press play, and I will have the answers to those sentences. So I want you to turn to page 39 and pause the video now. Okay, so you can see on my screen, these are the answers, numbers 1 through 13. And first of all, number 1, interrogative sentence, it was already completed for you. Number 2, that's a statement sentence, so declarative. Number 3, it's asking a question, therefore it's interrogative. Number 4, it's asking a question, it's ending in a question mark, it's an interrogative sentence. Number 5, that's just a statement that's being said, so declarative sentence. Number 6, interrogative, it's ending in a question mark. Number 7, it ends in a question mark, therefore it's an interrogative. Number 8, that's declarative because it's a statement. Number 9, a statement as well, so declarative. Number 10, interrogative sentence, it's asking a question. Number 11, declarative sentence, it's making a statement. Number 12, interrogative sentence. And finally, number 13, interrogative as well. So before we finish the video, let's just review. At the top of page 39, we can see there are 4 kinds of sentences. We looked at declarative and interrogative. A declarative sentence makes a statement and will end with a period. An interrogative sentence asks a question and also ends with a question mark. So this concludes the video on declarative and interrogative sentences. If you have any questions about this concept, please come and see me.